Hi, everybody. My name is Dr. Bunkers. I'm going to share with you a little something that I wrote just the other night. Feeling inspired is kind of the reason I'm here, and probably why most of you are in some way as well. So, without further ado. The circus is in town, that wonderful entity of wonder and awe, who casts its tent like spells, striped walls over pockets of time and space where laughter crackles like thunder and music plays a band. Where madness becomes magic and imagination a reality, where toils and troubles dissolve at the door, the tent, physically tangible or psychically manifested, a world of possibilities, a glimpse of forgotten glimpses, a home to the spirit of joy where flashes of the unknown sparkle in the clown's ruby red nose and the gleam of the juggler's eye. The circus, like a shaman's brew, illuminating the mysterious and the miraculous, a mirror of some long-lost light gleaming. The show must go on.